segment, another subsection under these laws of algebra is the distributive law, and that's what we want to look into in this section, okay, in this video. And what is the meaning of distributive law? What it means is this. Let's say you have this, okay, you have this expression. What this means is that this this A is going to affect the content of the brackets, and that will be A times this one, that will be AB, and then A also times this one, that will be what? Plus what? AC. That is the meaning of distributive law. Okay, you are making this item outside the bracket to flow in, to go in the brackets, to spread in into that bracket. It could also be a subtraction like this. The same thing also, this times this, and then this one times this one, minus what? AC. That is the distributive law. Let's take questions and apply this law. Yeah, solution, question 1. This one times this one, that's what? Minus 18x. And then this one, minus times minus, that's plus. And then 3 times 5, that's 15. And then x times x, that's what? X squared. So that finished that question 1. Question 2. You can do it in front here. Question 2. This will be this one times this one. So that will be 7 x squared. And then this one outside times this one. That's minus what? 28 x squared. Okay. And then the final one, this one here. The same thing is going to happen here. This one times this. That's a minus 9x times this one. So minus 9 times 4, that's what? That's 36. And then don't forget the minus here, don't forget that. Then x times x squared, that's x cubed. Okay? And then minus times minus, that's a plus. So this one also multiply this one. So that's a minus, that's a plus. And then 9 times 9, that's 81, and then this one, x. So that's that on this question. Okay, for the first one, this one times this one, that's what? Minus 18 x, and then minus times minus, that's plus. This one times this one, that's 15. We have this one here, we have this one here, making 2. So that's that on this question. Solution, question 1. Still under expand and simplify. So it will be A, this one times this one, that's a 4x. These two also times this one, that's what? Plus what? Plus 6. So I'm through with this fourth expression. The second one, plus 5 times 3x, that's a 15x. And then 5 times 1, that's plus 5. So I've opened the bracket. So the next one, that's the expand. Expand, done now. Then simplify. Bring the one you can add together, and then add them together. This is 4x plus 15x. That's what? That's 19. This one, plus 6 plus 5. So the final answer is what? Then minus 2 into brackets, x minus 7. So open the bracket, this one times this one, that's 9x. This one times this one, that's a minus 12. Okay? Then this one times this one, minus 2x. Minus times minus, that's plus. 2 times 7, that's 14. Okay? Then let's bring the x variable together. This is 9x minus 2x minus 12 plus 14. So these two will give me 7x minus 12 plus 14, okay, which is plus 2. Minus 12 plus 14, that's a plus 2. Then the c parts 5 plus 5 times 5x plus 2. So this will be this one and this one, that's a 3x squared. This one and this one, that's minus 27x. And then this one times this one, that's plus 25x. Okay, then this one times this one, that's plus 10. Okay, so we can arrange according to the 10. So this will, we have this one, 3x squared, minus 27x plus 25. So that's minus what? Minus 2x plus 10. The D part, we have this question. So this will be this one times this one. 4 times 2, that's 8, and this one times this one, we have this. Then this one times this one, that's a minus 20x. Then this one is a minus a, we have minus a before the brackets. So this minus now is going to spread inside the brackets. It's going to flow inside the brackets. And this will be this one times this one, that's minus 3x. This one times this one, minus 7. Okay, so we now have 8x squared, this one minus this one, that's minus 23 x minus 7. Okay, so that's on that question. So please, there's a link on this video. Click on it and subscribe. Okay, click on like button and send your comments. Thank you for doing that. Another subsection you want to look into is the product, and you want to do the expansions of this. This is an expression times this one. You want to expand this. This is very simple. How do you do it? You can make it easy by using the first one here. A times what? Everything here. C plus D. Okay? Then what do you have here? Plus B. Really here. Plus B times what? This same C plus D. So that's how to do your expansion. And that will be equal to what? This one times this one. That's AC. And then this same one times this one. That's a plus AD. And then plus this one times this one. That's a plus BC. And then this one times this one. That's what? Plus what? B and D. Okay? And you can also reverse the process. You have A plus B times C plus D. The choice is yours also. You can also use this one to expand, to do the multiplication. And then this one times this one, that's a plus BC. And this one times this one, plus AD. And plus this one times this one, BD. So if you check it now, you realize it's the same thing. You can see this one is here, this one is here, BC, 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 AD, AD, and then BD, BD. So the choice is yours on the approach you want to use. Okay? And if you don't want to waste your time, if you don't like this approach, these steps, you can also do it another way. So which will be this one times this one. That's this. This one again times this one. That's what? Plus what? AD. Okay? Then this one again, the second item here times this one. That's what? Plus what? Plus BC. Then this thing again times this one. Plus what? Plus BD. Okay? Yeah, we have this question, expand and simplify. The first one, okay? The first one, we have this times this. Okay? So this will be this one times this one. That will be x squared. This same one again times the second item. This times this. That's a plus 7x. So I'm through with this first one. Then the second one times this one. This is plus 2 times this. Plus 2x. Then plus 2 again times this. That's what? Plus 14. Okay? And that will give me this plus this. That's 9 plus 14. Number 2. The second one, which will be, we have this question. Okay, which will be this one times this one. That will be 20x squared. Then this one times this one, that's minus 25x. Then this one minus 2 times this, that's minus 8x. Then minus 2 times minus 5, that's a plus 10. So I want you to note something. Minus times minus, that's a plus. Minus times a plus, that's minus. Plus times a minus, that's minus. And then plus times a plus, that's plus. So please note this. Okay? So the final answer for this one will be 20x squared minus 25 minus 8. That's minus 33x plus 10. So that finished this question. That finished that question. Then we go to the third one, which will be this one times this one. That will be 5x. This one again times this one. That's plus 20. Minus 3x times this. That's minus 3x squared. And then this one times this one, that's a minus. That's a minus 12x. So we can now arrange now. So this will be minus 3x squared, 5x minus 12x. That's minus 7x. Okay, then plus 20. Okay, so that's all we have for this question. So there is an icon on this video. There is an icon in this video. Click on it. You have to subscribe now. Okay, and click on the like button and send your comments. Okay. Finally, share the link of this video on your social media platform. We have this x plus 4 times x minus 4. Okay, so this will be this one times this one. Okay, x squared. This one times this one. That's a minus 4x. And then this one times this one. That's a plus 4x. And this one again times this one. That's a minus 16. So this and this we cancel. This is minus 4x plus 4x. So this is x squared plus 16. Okay? Then we'll just take one more for that part. Let's take this one, 4k plus 3, and then 4k minus 3. So the same thing we're going to do also. So this will be this one times this one, which will be 16k squared. That's a 4 times 4, that's 16k times k squared. Then this one again times this one, that will be minus 12k plus 3 times this one, that's a plus what? Plus 12k. And finally, plus 3 times minus 3. Plus times minus, minus 3 times 3, that's 9. So this cancel. Okay, so we have 16k squared minus 9. Okay. Yeah, the next thing we want to look into is what we call the difference of two squares. Okay, so that's what we want to look into now. Let's consider we have this expression a plus b and then a minus b. When you're discussing difference of two squares, the expression here and here must be the same, but they must have opposing sign. I mean alternating sign. If this is plus, this must be what? Negative. Okay, and that's what we call difference of two squares. And this will what? This is also reversible. This will give you a square minus what? Minus b squared. Okay, I'm going to give you an example now. You have a minus 2, a plus 2, and then a minus 2. Check this expression. The expression here and here are the same, but they just have opposing sign. This is plus, this is minus, and that make it to be what? Difference of 2 square. Okay, so and this will give you what? This first one here, a square, and it must follow by what? By minus what you have here, the constant here, you double it, that's 4. Okay, which is a 2 square. You can write this one as what? As 2 square. Okay, so and this expression is reversible. If you have something like this, turn it straight away to this. Okay, and vice versa. So that's that on difference of two squares. Yeah, we have this question 1, 2x plus 1, to expand and simplify, times 2x minus 1. Okay, if you check this expression, the two expression, this is the same as this, but there is what? There is an opposing sign. This is plus, this is negative. Okay, plus, negative. So when you have same expression but alternating sign, what do you do? Very simple. It will be what? It will be 2x. The first item, you square it. Then it must be minus, plus, minus, plus times minus, that's minus. Then 1 also square. Okay? And that will be equal to what? That will be equal to 4x squared minus 1. And that finished that. Okay? Question 2. We have 6x minus 5 plus 6 times 6x plus 5. So what I will say here is recall. Okay? A minus b times a plus b is equal to what? Is equal to a squared minus b squared, which is vice versa, is reversible. Okay, so apply this to this question. So if you do that, your a is this is your a, and that's what? 6x squared. Then minus what? Your b is what? Your b is 5. So that's b squared. And that's what? This square will affect the two items. That will be 6 squared x squared. That will be 36 x squared minus 25. So that's that on that question. Okay, the third one, we have 10 plus 3m times 10 minus 3m. So the same expression, but alternating sign, plus, minus. So this will be 10 squared minus what? 3m squared, according to this law. So this will be 100 minus what? 9m squared. Okay? So that's that on that question. The last one, which is 3p plus 7p, 3p minus 7p. So this will be what? 3p squared minus what? 7p squared. So this square will affect 3, that will be 3 squared, that's 9, and then p squared, that's okay. Then also this 7 will be affected by this power, that will be 7 squared, that's 49, and then keywords, that's 49 cube squared. So that is that on that question. Okay, difference of 2 squared, it make the simplification, it make the expansion to be faster. Okay, so that's that on this question. There is an icon on this video. If you're yet to subscribe, smash that video and subscribe straight away. Click on like button and send your comments. And finally, please share this, the link of this video on the social media platform. Thank you for doing that.